Welcome! The FIT Writing and Speaking Studio has created this video to inform you on how to make a WCOnline account to schedule an appointment with us. With the Writing and Speaking Studio account, you will have access to our consultant schedules and can create, adjust, and access your online appointments. To get started, go to fit.mywconline.com, click Login, and the site will prompt you to log into your FIT account. If you are already logged in on your browser, you'll be taken right to the home page. If not, you'll be asked to enter your FIT credentials and authenticate. Once logged in, if you are new to the studio or Academic Skills Tutoring Center, you will be prompted to fill out a brief form. Start by filling in your FIT email address and first and last name. You must use your official FIT email address to make a profile, but you're welcome to use your preferred first name when creating an account. Next, enter your telephone number, which is optional, your academic standing, graduation year, and major/department. You will need your FIT number. If you don't know it, you can find it at the top right of your screen when logging into My FIT, or find it on your pay stub if you are employed on campus. Then, select your first or home language and how you identify. If you are a visiting student, welcome again. Please tell us the name of your school. If you work with the Office of Educational Opportunity Programs, indicate that here. Lastly, type in your FIT password and you're all set. You've successfully created your profile. For help on how to make an appointment, click the next tutorial, which will walk you through how to make and access your appointments. If you have any questions or concerns, or want to learn more about our studio, please contact us by emailing writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu, calling us at 212-217-3060, or visiting us at room C612 in the Feldman Center. We look forward to seeing you.